Africa is a continent full of wonders, some known to man and many yet to be discovered. In celebration of our continent's beauty and mystique, we'll be looking at some of the wonders it has to hold. In today's video, we'll be looking at the Forest of Knives in Madagascar. In western Madagascar, on the Bemaraha Plateau, not far from the coast, lies a national park known as Tsingy de Bemaraha National Park. Known by the popular nickname Stone Forest, the park is home to a spectacular sprawling limestone formation that consists of thousands of jagged towers that soar hundreds of feet in the air. The formation of these unusual rocks actually began close to 200 million years ago when layers of calcite accumulated at the bottom of a lagoon. Calcite is a transparent or translucent natural stone that can be found in both crystalline and massive forms such as a stone slab. The forest is full of lemurs and hundreds of different bird species. It also has one of the species of rodents that's local only to the reserve. Since the project's completion, the park has grown in popularity as a true adventure tourist destination while staying mostly undisturbed. Because the park is very hard to get to, it can take 5 days to travel to the area from the nearest city, and once there, extremely difficult to explore. While its inhospitable nature frustrates human explorers, the park acts somewhat like a biological fortress for the species that it protects. Transportation options are very few and include road or chartered plane to the nearest village. The most accessible route driving is from Morondava, which is a 150-kilometer journey. The roads are rough and unpaved and require a four-wheel vehicle and 8 to 10 hours of travel. The park does not have tourist facilities, just toilets, so plan that when you are adding this to your bucket list. What are your thoughts about today's video? Is this a place you'd like to visit? Leave a comment down below. Video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also check out our other videos in the Mysteries of Africa series. Until the next video, stay safe and I'll see you then. And please feel free to leave your suggestions, news tips or topics about Africa that you'd like us to cover.